Hello, welcome to my garden. Such a pleasure to be here again. Today's video, as you may have guessed, is homage to Klaus Dalby, who inspired so many of us to do more with pot displays, especially tulips. You may recall that last Halloween I planted over 300 tulips in pots. Now those have been kept in the greenhouse until now. These were pots that were supposed to flower in April and May, but because they've been kept in the greenhouse, they flowered a little bit earlier. So today is the 26th of March and we're going to put the displays outside of the house, which is where they were destined. So let's do it. And here we are. Now, those of you who've watched the channel for a while will recall that I've done this for several years now. You'll remember the beautiful pale pink display I had one spring. And this year I've gone for a different colour scheme. I've gone for saturated colours of deep red and purple. We're looking at two main tulips here because these are the two that are supposed to flower in April and are actually flowering at the end of March. And they are Negrita. Negrita is a beautiful purple and it's been around a good few years. It makes fantastic pot plant. And National Velvet. The second Triumph tulip here is National Velvet, which you'll recall me potting up last year, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous red. Now Triumph tulips, they look fantastic in pots, and these two certainly go very well together. The third one that's supposed to flower in April is a fringed variety, which I don't see in bloom just yet. So, I mean, it's going to straddle the April and May flowering period. So I suppose it's to be expected that it might be a little bit late to the party. And over here, just coming into flower, is one called Couleur Cardinal. Now, you'll recall in my video from last Halloween that I had an empty pot and I was saying I was going to buy a few more tulips to put in that empty pot. Well, I did, and this is the result. I also bought a few Negrita double and Uncle Tom, both from Division 11, so late doubles. And these I put in the tall, mostly green pots that I also mentioned in the same video. And right at the front here we have a pot of Negrita, just regular Negrita. And what's unusual about this is these are the ones that were mouldy, and I made a separate video on how to deal with and treat mouldy tulips. And as you can see, all 5 of them have come up beautifully. Now all of these tulips are going to flower so beautifully for several weeks here in front of my house, and when the April flowering ones, the Negrita and the National Velvet, go over, I do have others in shades, in the similar shades, but also there are some black ones in there that will take up the baton and hopefully fill out the display and keep it going for much of May. I always think that tulips are such a wonderful plant to whet our appetites for the summer ahead, for the growing year ahead, and they are just wonderful things that brighten up April and May in our gardens. The only disadvantage with buying beautiful Triumph tulips like these is that they don't last. Now, if you plant them in your garden, then they may appear again the following year. You'll get a smattering the year after, and then they'll probably be gone. And that's because, well, it's for a whole variety of reasons that I've covered in quite some detail in another video, which I'll link to at the end of this one. And it's a video about how to get tulips to come back year on year and be reliably perennial. And the trick really is to choose the right ones. And these ones are Triumph, and there's not much you can do to make them come back. However, it is a terrible shame to discard such beautiful plants with amazing potential at the end of the growing season. So what I've decided to do this year, and hopefully get at least another year out of them, what I've decided to do this year is to plant them out in my new lasagna bed once they've finished flowering. Now, I have, you may recall, been creating this lasagna bed for some time, and the colour scheme I've gone with is that of saturated colours, so dark reds, navy blue, purple. With that in mind, I've chosen the display to match the colour scheme of the lasagna bed this year, and when they finish flowering I will put them out there in the bed and we'll see what they do next year, because these pots do need to be empty. They will need to be empty in autumn for the next batch of beautiful tulips, and next year you can bet it's going to be a different colour scheme. And just in case you too are looking for a pot bulb display next spring, indeed maybe you're looking for tulips to put into your garden, then I highly recommend the Dutch site called Bulby. Now, they will post to the EU and they'll also post to the UK. There's a separate website for the UK, and what I absolutely love about them is that the bulbs are great quality, they arrive super speedy, and well, you know, they're really good value. Now, it may be a little early to be thinking about next spring's tulip display, but I can tell you that the Bulby site has a pre-order scheme, so you order and pay for the bulbs now and they'll deliver them in autumn when it's time to pot them up or plant them out and get your colour scheme on the road for the following spring. And if you're looking to order some tulips or any other spring or summer flowering plant, then I encourage you to use my discount code, which is currently gardening10, and that will give you 10% off the already cheap prices on that website. But if you're watching this video later on, then the code may well have changed, so you're going to have to look at a more current video of mine to see what the current code is. And I guess that's kind of wrapping up this video, except to tell you that next week I really hope, fingers crossed, to be planting up the new lasagna bed. Not with the tulips, because they'll still be in full flower, and I hope you'll enjoy having a look at what I put into the bed and the colour scheme that I have chosen. You know the colour scheme already. And I will be making more footage, more videos about this tulip display as time goes on and as it changes to the other tulips that you can see. I mean, you can see if you look at these pots that there are plenty that are just green at the moment, but they're going to be glorious blasts of colour within a very short period of time. Thank you as always for watching my video, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing. A like wouldn't go amiss either, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put a comment down below. Thank you and bye. Happy spring.